In this video, I'll show you how to return items on Amazon. So I'll be demonstrating this on a computer, but you can also do this on a mobile device. So we're first going to head over to the Amazon website and you need to make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the drop down arrow next to your profile name and click on your orders. Then you need to scroll down and locate the product that you want to return. So for example, this product here is the one that I want to return. So what you need to do is click on return or replace items. And if you've bought multiple items in one order, then you just need to check the box next to the item that you want to return. Select the reason why you want to return your item. So for example, I'm going to select performance or quality not adequate. And then you'll need to write a comment explaining the issue with the product. Then we're going to click on continue, scroll down to the bottom and select how you want to receive your refund. You can either have the amount refunded to your Amazon account balance, or I'm just going to select refund to my credit card. Then select continue, select how you want to return your item. So I'm just going to select one of these drop-off locations, which is local to me. And as you can see, no box or label is needed. We just literally need to bring them the product. Next to this option here, I'm going to click on choose drop-off location, and then you can simply select one of the stores and select confirm your return. And once you've done that, you can see we've now started a return, and we'll just need to go and drop that item off to wherever we selected. And once the item has been received back by the sender, you'll then receive a full refund to your credit or Amazon account. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.